Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? You're eating clean, you're hitting the gym, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. In fact, the harder you work out, the more bloated you feel. If this sounds familiar, you don't have a weight problem, you likely have a cortisol problem. Today, I'm going to show you the stress fat secret nobody tells you and 3 natural ways to switch your body from fat storage mode to burn mode in under 60 seconds. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel now. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much. Let's get started. The science simplified. Cortisol is your body's stress hormone. Back in the day, it helped us run from lions, but today, it's triggered by work emails, poor sleep, and even too much coffee. When cortisol stays high, it tells your body to protect your vital organs by storing fat specifically in the abdominal area. This is why stress fat feels different. It's firm, it's stubborn, and traditional cardio can actually make it worse by stressing your body even more. Solution number 1. The 4-7-8 breathing hack. The fastest way to lower cortisol is through your breath. We're going to do the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale loudly for 8. This hack signals your nervous system to exit fight or flight mode and enter rest and digest. Doing this just 3 times a day can literally lower your cortisol levels almost instantly. Solution number 2, the cortisol-lowering tea. Instead of that 3rd cup of coffee, which spikes cortisol, try ashwagandha or holy basil tea. These are adaptogens, natural herbs that help your body adapt to stress. I drink this every afternoon at 3 p.m. when my stress levels usually peak. It keeps your hormones balanced so your body doesn't feel the need to store fat for survival. Finally, the most underrated tip. Get 10 minutes of direct sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. This sets your circadian rhythm. When your body knows it's daytime, it regulates cortisol production, so it peaks in the morning, giving you energy, and drops at night, letting you burn fat while you sleep. So, what is the bottom line? Stop fighting your body and start working with your hormones. Try these 3 steps for 7 days and let me know in the comments how much lighter you feel. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more such informative health tips.